It is not death most people are afraid of. It is getting to the end of life only to realize that you never truly lived. There was a study done, a hospital study, on 100 elderly people facing death close to their last breath. They were asked to reflect about their life's biggest regret. Nearly all of them said they regret not the things they did, but the things they didn't do, the risks they never took, the dreams they didn't pursue. Life is not meant to simply wake up, go to work, wait for the weekend, and pay rent. No, I don't know much, but I know life is not just about doing that. At the beginning of 2018, I remember telling myself that I wanted to go to so many places and make incredible videos, but at the time my photography skills were just average. All I had was a Nikon D5600, and I had no idea how I was going to be able to afford traveling to all these places. But as the year progressed, opportunities came into place. I spent countless hours learning how to improve my videos, and most importantly, I stopped caring about what people think and started doing. And here's what happened. The very basic core of a man's living spirit is its passion for adventure and freedom. The joy of life comes with encounters with new experiences, and hence there is no greater joy than to have an endless changing horizon for each day, to have a new different sun every day. It's better to live 30 years full of adventure than living 100 years safe in the corner. And see, it's not important how long you live, it's important how you live.